fix the dimensions.
Hi, Ratchet. I'm Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What? Yeah, a little.
He is friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Right. Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts. You two and Dr. Nefarious will be back in your own dimension in no time. Yes!
You know good merchandise when you see it. See you next time.
What's it? Hey.
Hey! Yes, hi. I have Clank.
Oh, pal.
I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
yeah, I got nothing. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Me too.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
Do you want to, Hey!
Thank you.
Dr. Nefarious.
Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
How many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
What are you doing? The crowd's bloody spoiled. In anticipation, at the one, the only, Emperor Nefarious and Rita.
Ready, Kit? Ready.
Another Lambex? Good thing I don't lose in this dimension.
We'll see about that.
You think you're so tough? Let's turn up the heat. Why must Lombaxes be as adaptable as they are insufferable? Just fall already and let me enjoy my reign.
This is not looking good.
I've got it covered. I'm totally fine. What did you do with the Emperor?
I never met the guy. Because I am. scenery! 2 against 1 isn't fair. So this one, my team.
Nice, Grunthor! Are we on? Sargasso?
Yep, this is where I'm from. Funny story. Wait, maybe I should focus.
Are you just chatting? Fine. Pretend I'm not a threat. I'll show you. Your Emperor, more brilliant and powerful than ever! That's it! I'm gonna send you into the heart of a supernova. Supernova? Why aren't these labeled?
Went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
I can't wait to defeat you and Ratchet in front of this audience of my adoring fans. Enough of this insolence.
Wow! What a battle! Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory! I wish I could have been here sooner. However, I am thrilled to announce that I finished neutralizing my enemies. With the exception of Captain Quantum and... Anyway, when I heard that the Rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to...
Come here, the universe, celebrate your defeat?
Who was celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait! I've been fighting rebels for years. Let me help you wipe them out.
Ah, my, strange fan wants to assist. Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting? A home game, perhaps?
It's going to Sargasso. I have to get there first.
We're coming with you.
Ratchet, we must find Quantum. He is the last rebel on that list.
Go to Ardolis and find Pierre. He'll take you to him.
Wait! If we are going to face the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right. Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go.